Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here again. So in this video, what I'm doing is actually doing a follow-up video on one of my previous videos. And as you can see, it's going to be about the Tranot Goal Getter Bundle. So I did a review, I think it was about a month ago now. And Tranot actually came out with a bundle that helps you to reach your goals for your weight loss goals. And I was excited for that because, with everybody and the new year, it's to be in 2022, people usually make New Year's resolutions or just, you know, have goals to achieve, whether it's in their health and their wealth. But this one, we're going to focus on health. So I had a goals to lose weight too, and I wanted to do it with you guys and actually go for this. So I was using this bundle myself, and I am here to report my results. If it was a or the yay. So now, when I went in this, I didn't know what to expect because some of the products I've already used individually, not at the same time, but I didn't really do anything out of the norm. I didn't what's the word I'm looking for? Diet extreme, anything like that. I ate fast food sometimes. I ate pizza. I ate some more vegetables. That was good too. But I kept it. I really didn't change that much. So with that, I just want to share my results with you and what I really liked about this whole Goal Getter bundle and what I didn't like about it. So what I'm going to start with first is the things that I didn't like about this was that it tastes so good. The shakes and everything, they actually taste really good. The only thing I really didn't like about it is that some of the flavors they had at first, they don't have anymore. So for the Nourish part, Nourish is the meal replacement, the shake, protein shake. They didn't have those anymore, and that was frustrating because the different flavors. Because I actually had the what was it? The cinnamon roll Nourish. That was so delicious. I did buy a few extra, but now you can't really get that anymore. Hopefully they bring those back because those were limited time only flavors, as well as I think they had a pumpkin spice one. I still have some of the pumpkin spice. I wish I would buy some more because I'm not a big pumpkin spice fan, but this is actually, it tastes very good. So what I would do is actually mix some of the flavors up with the chocolate, the Mojo rich chocolate, and it really brought, like, I think the cinnamon spice one and the chocolate together, it tasted like a, what was it? What they call it at Wendy's. Wendy's, the fast food restaurant. It tasted like a frosty. I kid you not. I was like, oh, I was even to the point like I was ready to freeze it a little bit just to get that frosty kind of texture. But it really tastes like a frosty. I did add almond milk to my stuff. So instead of using water, I used almond milk, and it tasted great. I even combined some of their other stuff to enhance creamer inside of it, give it a little more creamier feel to it. And here's a keynote too to even bump it up, because Tranot does offer some vitamins called Balance, some whole food vitamins, and I put those in there in the protein shakes too, the meal replacement. So it actually helped a little bit more with the more vitamins. So didn't change anything at the norm. I used the Enrich and the Mojo, so I use all the products. Okay. Uh, so with that said, did I get results? Yes, I did. Absolutely did. Was I was actually surprised. I'm not even gonna lie. Was I surprised? Yes, I was surprised that I got the results that I got. At first, did it just like fall off? No. I'm going to tell you guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you guys what I actually lost, where I lost it, because they had a lot of things going on. They had a couple of groups that you can participate in and actually track your weight loss with things. They actually gave you, when you're part of their Facebook group, they give you regimens that you can do. Like they had one, I think a video around planks and how to optimize and do like that. I didn't plank anything. I really didn't. Like I said, I didn't exercise. I did do some walking but I've already done the walking and everything like that. So that, like I said, I didn't really do anything different than use those products, and that's it. So, and use it how they told me to use it. So besides that, I didn't do anything different. And I like it. So I'm continuing using it because of the results that I've had from this one. So when I started this goal, I was at 296 pounds. 296. I think it was at, 296. 296. I had just lost 2 pounds because I was at 298. That was my biggest ever. And so when I started this, I was at 296 when I weighed myself in. Today, I'm actually at 282. So I lost almost 15 pounds. About 15 pounds. I'm excited about it. So from 290, we'll say 296 minus 2, what's that? I said 82. 14 pounds. 14 pounds. So 14 pounds I lost. I'm still losing weight. I actually even went to had to go to a business trip to this past weekend to Vegas, and I've never lost weight when I went to Vegas. I actually lost a pound going to Vegas because this kickstarted my thing. I went for 1 day, and I did eat. You know, I love to eat. Vegas food is amazing. So I actually lost a pound in Vegas. Crazy, right? So that's for a month worth of using those products and didn't do anything differently, didn't change anything. I lost 14 pounds. I'm happy with those results. I'm going to continue to use this so I can lose some more pounds. So hopefully I lose another 14 pounds this month. That's my goal. And yeah, guys, so I'm happy with my results. I highly recommend this bundle if you're looking to lose weight. Absolutely. The link is in the description below. Also, it's pinned in the comments. So you can click on that, go there. You can actually sign up for discounts because we Tranot actually allowed it. So like if you are a member, you can actually give people $5 or $10 discounts now. So that's pretty cool. So if you want those, you guys basically get us registered for that right there. Hit the link in the description or the what's called the comment section, and go ahead and fill out the form, and we'll get some of those over to you. And we'll have deals and things like that, and giving out $5 or $10 coupons. So that's awesome too in itself right there. So that's a new little thing that Tranot's doing. But I'm just so excited of the results I got. So I wanted to share it with you because most people don't really do a lot of follow-ups, but I want to do a follow-up on this one because I actually lost weight, and only thing I did different was stick to this, using these products, and they work for me. So this is amazing. I love it. So I do highly recommend it. Where I lost a lot of weight was in my face and some in my gut. Even my wife said, "Oh, your stomach's going down. I can see that. Like whatever you're doing, keep doing it." So I'm just using this. So I'm gonna try to get my wife on this too, so she can get the results that she wants too as well. So I highly recommend this. When you use the products, it works. And like I said, I didn't change anything. We went out to eat, probably out to eat more than we needed to. But yeah, it's working. I'm going to continue using it. And I'll probably even do another update after that and see what's going on. I'll let you guys know in another month if I lost any more weight or if I maintained it or what. So if you want to see that, please let me know in the comments below. I do interact with my people, followers, subscribers. I do interact with you guys in the comments. Also, if you have any questions about this, feel free to contact me, guys. Feel free to contact me because you can text me or you can call me if you feel comfortable enough doing that. If you have questions about this, or comment in this comment section below. I do answer those comments. I do interact with you guys. I have no problem doing that because how else will you get your questions answered? So that's what my results were for this one. As of improving gut and skin connection, I guess, yeah, I mean, I things going good. Supports focus and energy. Have had a lot more focus and energy, so that's good. Optimized digestion and nutrients absorption. I would say so because if I'm losing weight, obviously my absorption and everything is happening and working properly. So, with that said, guys, highly recommend this bundle. So if you're looking to lose weight, get on this bundle. follow it will get you in the Facebook group too, because they have a lot of tips and tricks on how to do what to do to basically enhance your experience with it, to even make it more. Like I said, I really didn't do anything differently, so I guess if I try to follow their things, it's going to even increase it even more. So with that said, I'm going to ask you guys to do me a favor. So you see that big red button below? Yep, the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that if this is your first time actually checking out my video or my channel. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new YouTube videos, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You like this last one, get some value from it. Hey, maybe even lost some weight from it. So go ahead and check out the new one. So that's why we want you to subscribe, stay on top of everything, because hopefully these videos give you some value. I do enjoy making these for you guys, for myself too as well. And yeah, so with that, guys, until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.